how did we go from this
Round and round like
to this?
lost in loops where
There is a simple move that can strip any song down to just the voice. No magic button, no AI, just pure audio trickery. And today, I'm showing you exactly how it works. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinx and you're welcome to CoinxDaProducer. So if this sounds like something you're interested to learn, sit tight as we dive right in. Alright, now before you ask, yes, I know you can just drag a song into an AI splitter and it will give you stems. But here is the thing, that method is actually showing you the shortcuts, by a click of a button. But this method teaches you the science behind that magic. It gives you more control and also help you not to rely on tools that could disappear tomorrow. And honestly, it puts you on the level of producers who actually know their craft. So let me break it down. We'll be starting with FL Studio. Then after that, I will show you how to do it using Audacity, Adobe Audition, and finally, an honorable mention, that is a free plugin that you can actually use to achieve this. Let me quickly explain the concept behind this trick. It is based on something called phase cancellation or stereo inversion, and I believe most of you guys already know this. So here is how it works. When you flip a song and its instrumental version perfectly, they are basically the same track, except one has a vocal, and if you then flip the polarity of the instrumental, all the sounds that are identical in both tracks cancel each other out. What is now left behind are the differences. In this case, usually the vocals. So that is the principle. Right here is the entire track. Let me preview that. And below here is just the instrumentals. But have in mind, it is important to get the exact instrumentals for that track for it to properly work. All you need to do is to come over to the instrumentals, double click on it, and come over to this section. As you can see, reverse polarity. Now let me turn it off so that you see what happens. You can see everything is playing, right? Now, when I toggle it on, the instrumentals disappear, leaving only the voice.
stay round and round like a record spins.
And another important thing you should also have in mind is you need to align it perfectly well to completely eradicate all those artifacts at the background. Now, let me just try to offset the position so that you see what happens.
City lights, they fade away, chasing dreams that never stay. Round and round like a record spins, lost in loops where it begins.
Alright, I believe you had that and now you understand how it works. So that is exactly how to achieve this inside FL Studio. Now let's try it on Audacity, and as we all know, Audacity is 100% free, so that you can see how it is done inside Audacity. Alright, to achieve the same thing inside Audacity, these are the steps. First of all, import your samples. As you can see here, this is the main track where you get the instrumentals and the vocals, and below is just the beat. Now we'll be working on the beat. As you can see, it's already highlighted or selected. So once it's selected, if it is not selected, it will be white like this. So double click on it. Now come over to effects and then come down to spatial, and under spatial you will see invert. Click on that. It will invert the stereo information, and once that is done, you just play the track and you will see that it will isolate the instrumentals, leaving only the vocals. So let's check it out.
City lights, they fade away, chasing dreams that never stay. Round and round like a record spins, lost in loops where it begins.
Alright, so that is exactly how to achieve it inside Audacity. For Adobe Audition, is just the same process we used in Audacity. All you need to do is on the instrumental track, double click on that, it will open in this window, and then in this window head over to effects and come over to invert. Once that is done, click out by clicking on this track here and preview the track. So that is it on how to do it inside Adobe Audition. Now the last will be the one we'll be doing with a free plugin. So let's head back to FL Studio for that demonstration. So as you can see, here is the plugin, and I'll be leaving the link in the description, so if you're interested to have it. It's quite simple. All you need to do is to insert it in a channel, and on that channel will be where you will send the instrumentals to. So as you can see, my instrumentals right here is sent to channel 1, and on channel 1 I inserted Flipper. So without Flipper, and by the way, I already deactivated the reverse polarity on the channel. So when I preview,
City lights, they fade away.
I believe you had it. Now let me engage it. Then
City lights, they fade away. Chasing dreams that never stay.
alright, so it is as simple as that, and that brings us to the end of today's video, and I hope it helped. That will be it for today's video, guys. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like, share your honest thoughts in the comments, and subscribe if you haven't. But most importantly, turn on your bell notification so that when next I upload videos like this, you get notified. And just to let you know, I'll be showing you in the next video the right way to prepare your vocals ready for either mixing or sending it off for a mixing or mastering engineer, and trust me, you're going to love it. So with that being said, as always, stay creative, stay focused. Bye for now.